I need to drink something.
Make you a dessert.
Choose 2 fruits that you like. Blueberries. Watermelon. Let's cut watermelon. Press the button to make juice. Add some toppings. It's even cooler with ice. Add rainbow juice and see how delicious it looks. Add stars juice. It is delicious. Now, make it look beautiful. You're an expert. That juice is so good. Give Alan something to drink. Come. I would like to have a cold soft drink.
Make you a dessert.
Watermelon. Kiwi. Banana. Blueberries. Watermelon. Kiwi. Strawberry. Choose the flavor you like the best. Now, make it look beautiful. Wow, it looks delicious. The ice cream tastes very good. Maybe Momo would like to eat it. One you like the best. Choose your favorite toppings. Wow, it looks delicious. That ice cream looks delicious. Give it to the blue cat.